Joe Kinninger with another Weekly Cup of Joe. Let's talk about Leadership Reimagined. What does that really mean? It's our slogan. And so how we reimagine leadership. I know when I was in my 20s taking leadership courses and learning, they would talk about the tips and tricks of leadership. If this event happens, then you do this. If this event happens, then you do that. I would say the easiest way to explain it is that we don't teach tips and tricks. We teach authenticity. We teach stepping into you, helping you understand who you truly are, how to care for a person by providing honest feedback in a caring way, not in a demeaning way. How to think, how to get rid of your fears of confrontation or of money or whatever you fear. We all have something. How to get over that so I can control the way I think, always being in control of my thoughts. That's Leadership Reimagined. If we can help a manager or supervisor do that on the ground floor, oh my goodness, watch out. Things start to excel because they step into themselves. And so this week, think about truly stepping into yourself. What are some of your fears? What are some of the things that you think might hold you back? And just spend time putting your thoughts around that. This is another Weekly Cup of Joe.